If you're seeing the Framer error on your homepage, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Framer error home issue step by step so your site loads properly again. This is especially helpful if your homepage is broken, blank, or not showing the right page after publishing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer and web design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project inside Framer. Once you're in the editor, head over to the Pages panel on the left side of the screen. This is where Framer keeps all of your site pages, including your homepage, subpages, and any drafts you may have created. Now look for your main page. The important thing here is to make sure that this page is actually set as the home page, which is the root page and shown as /. If the page is not set correctly, right-click on it and choose Set as Home. This step matters because if the wrong page is assigned as the home root, your live site may open to an error, a blank page, or the wrong content entirely. So take a moment here and double check that the page you want visitors to see first is the one marked as Home. Next, open that home page and inspect the content inside it. Sometimes the error happens because the page is empty or contains broken elements. A common cause is a failed embed, custom code block, or a component that no longer loads correctly. If you spot anything suspicious, remove the broken embed or replace it with something stable. Also make sure there is at least one visible element on the page, such as text, an image, a button, or a section. Framer pages should not be left completely empty because that can trigger unexpected display issues on the live site. If the page looks fine in the editor, the next step is to republish the site. Click Publish in the top right area, then wait for Framer to finish updating your live project. After that, open your live site again and test the homepage in a fresh tab or browser window. Sometimes the fix is immediate, and simply republishing forces Framer to refresh the root and display the correct homepage. If the issue still remains, go back one more time and confirm 3 things. The correct page is set as home, the page is not broken or empty, and the site was successfully republished. In most cases, one of these 3 checks is the reason the Framer home error appears. So by fixing the homepage assignment, removing broken embeds or custom code, and republishing, you should be able to solve the problem quickly. And that's it. You've now fixed the Framer error home issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.